today we would be covering the site supervisor module, where we would teach you how you can use the Dzylo as a site supervisor. Firstly, you have the sign in option where you have to click on that and choose your email ID. So you would be signed in. Then once you have signed in, this is a dashboard where you have this check-in option on the top. Click on that and you have to firstly enable the location and select the location where you are at. So firstly, you can see that this is a wrong location. So it is saying that not in the range of select location. So select the correct location and it would allow you to check in. And with the timestamp, it has recorded. Now you can click on this view report section where you can track your attendance of the whole month. And similarly on the top you have this apply leave / work from home option where you can click on leave request or work from home, select the type, whether it's a sick leave, casual leave, select the date and the reason. Let's say I'm having a fever, and then click on attachment option, and if you have any medical reports you can attach it and mark it as done. And again it would show you to see that date, and then you can click on done and submit. So in this way you can submit the leave request. I hope this part is clear. Next, go to the dashboard. On the dashboard on the bottom we have this project section where we would cover the module of how you can add site images. So click on the project, scroll down, there you have the site progress uploads. Click on that site progress upload option. There on the top we have this add feature. Click on select media and add the video. You can select the photos that you want to add, enable the permission. It would track the permission as well from where you are adding. And then on the bottom you have visibility. So if you make it visible, the client can see the particular thing. So this is how you can see the and upload the site progress reports. This is the visibility button where you can on and off it. Any comments would be shown here on the comment section, and on the first option we have this location. So the time and the location would be mapped. In this way you can add the location. Let me just try once again. Click on this add option, select the media, and then make it visible to the clients and you can upload it. So by this way you can upload the site settings. Next we would come to petty expense. So in the bottom you can see besides project we have the petty expense option. So you have to click on the petty expense option where you can see, as Aditi Pradhan is my name, so what is the current balance that I have in my petty expense. Similarly, if I want to add any expense, on the top I have my expense besides dashboard, so I have clicked there, and here I can see all the expense that I have added earlier. And if I want to add a new expense, on the top I have this add option where I select the date, then the amount of the spend that I have done, then select the source, whether it's cash, check or a prepaid account. Select the project, that in which project I have done that, receipt if I have, you can share the screenshot here, write the remarks. Let's say it is the plumbing work that I am using, and I would click on add expense. So in this way you can add the expense from here. Next would be the labor report. So you have to open the project section, and then once you open the project section, select the project, scroll down, you have this labor report, click on that. Once clicked, it would ask you to select the date. So select the date and which category of labor it is there. Let's say fall ceiling. Next is from which vendor the labor has been there, and then how many skilled workers are there, how many unskilled laborers are there, and how many coordinators are there. Then once done, you can attach the file as well as a proof, and you can write the remarks as well that today 7 workers were there for the particular POP project, and then you can mark it as submit. So it has been submitted. Next, if I want to add for yesterday as well, select the yesterday's date, select the category, select from which vendor they have sent, and select how many skilled, unskilled, and coordinators are there. Write the remarks and submit. So in this way, you can upload the labor report. Thank you so much. I hope all your doubts are covered here. Right? Thank you so much.